Your brain's ability to switch tasks can double if you feed it right tonight. Imagine waking up to find that the frustrating fog clouding your thoughts has finally lifted and the blurry edges of your world have suddenly sharpened into high-definition focus. For many seniors, the daily struggle of walking into a room and instantly forgetting why you were there is not a sign of unavoidable aging, but a cry for help from a brain starved of one vital nutrient. Scientific data from the Tilda study in Ireland shows that seniors with the highest levels of the pigment lutein performed nearly twice as well on mental switching tasks compared to those with low levels. This is because lutein doesn't just sit in your eyes, it crosses the blood-brain barrier to shield your neurons from the rusting effects of oxidative stress. Before we dive into the 5 secret foods that can reset your vision and mind while you sleep, please like this video, share it with a friend who wants to stay sharp, and subscribe to our channel for more expert health insights. Stick with me until the very end because the 5th food on our list is a humble kitchen staple that acts as a neural oil, ensuring your brain's electrical signals move without interruption. The nutritional heavyweight, cooked spinach. When it comes to biological insurance for your eyes and brain, cooked spinach is the undisputed heavyweight champion, offering a massive 12,640 micrograms of lutein in a single serving. While raw greens are healthy, the sources highlight that the heat of cooking actually breaks down plant cell walls, making it easier for your body to harvest this precious pigment. Lutein acts as internal sunglasses, filtering out the harmful shortwave blue light that destroys the light-sensitive tissues at the back of your eye over time. In the brain, this pigment integrates into the membranes of your neurons, particularly in the frontal cortex, which is the command center for your attention and mental flexibility. A fascinating tip for seniors is that lutein is strictly fat-soluble, meaning if you eat your spinach without a source of lipid, your body may struggle to absorb it at all. To unlock the full potential of your evening meal, you should always lightly sauté your spinach in extra virgin olive oil or pair it with a few slices of avocado. This simple adjustment can multiply the amount of nutrient that actually reaches your bloodstream. Have you noticed that your eyes feel less tired after a long day when you have been eating your greens consistently? This quiet repair happens most effectively at night when your brain enters its maintenance mode to sweep out toxins. As we look beyond the vegetable patch, you might be surprised to find that the next food on our list is one that provides a specialized form of protection for the very center of your vision. 2. The macular epicenter, sweet corn. Humble golden corn is frequently overlooked, yet it contains a unique and powerful combination of lutein and its sister pigment, zeaxanthin, in a nearly perfect 1-to-1 ratio. While lutein is found primarily at the edges of your macula, zeaxanthin is concentrated at the very epicenter, the tiny area responsible for recognizing faces and reading small print. Together, they form a protective yellow-orange shield that prevents light from scattering inside your eye, which is the primary cause of that blinding glare seniors often experience when driving at night. Research has shown that individuals who maintain a high intake of these pigments can significantly improve their contrast sensitivity and depth perception, making it easier to navigate stairs or uneven sidewalks. A little-known fact is that the pigments in corn are remarkably stable, meaning they remain potent whether you choose fresh kernels, frozen pods, or even properly prepared canned varieties. To maximize the overnight benefits, try adding a half cup of steamed corn to your dinner. Its gentle energy release avoids the blood sugar spikes that can trigger brain inflammation and blur your cognitive speed. I often ask my audience, have you ever felt that frozen feeling when trying to read a new instruction? That is cognitive rigidity, and corn provides the raw materials to keep those mental switches moving fast. But what if I told you there's a fruit that carries its own absorption oil naturally built in? 3. The self-absorbing powerhouse, avocado. Avocado is unique among the top lutein foods because it is an oleaginous fruit, meaning it contains the very monounsaturated fats required to absorb its own nutrients. While it contains about 270 micrograms of lutein, its real value lies in its high bioaccessibility, which is the highest of almost any plant source studied. Because the lutein is naturally embedded in a lipid-rich matrix, it is delivered directly to your neural tissues in a form that your body recognizes and uses with ease. This is particularly important for seniors because avocados are also a rich source of vitamin E, which works alongside lutein to protect the fatty acids in your brain from oxidation. An expert tip often missed is that the highest concentration of these eye-healthy pigments is located in the dark green flesh closest to the skin, so be sure to scrape the peel thoroughly when preparing your meal. Regular avocado consumption has been linked to improved visual spatial functioning, which helps you move through a crowded grocery store without feeling overwhelmed or losing your balance. Since the Mediterranean diet, which is rich in avocados and olive oil, is associated with stalling the progression of vision loss by a significant margin, it is one of the most effective tools you have for long-term independence. How do you prefer to eat your avocado? Perhaps as a creamy addition to your dinner or simply straight with a spoon? As we reach our next food, we look at the one source that actually beats vegetables in terms of pure usability. 4. The Golden Bio Booster. Egg yolks. Egg yolks are the most bioavailable source of lutein on the planet, meaning your body can absorb the nutrients from an egg much more efficiently than from a large bowl of raw salad. While a cup of spinach has a higher total amount of the pigment, the lutein in eggs is naturally packaged with lipids that act as a fast pass into your bloodstream. In fact, consuming just one egg per day has been shown to result in a significant rise in serum lutein and zeaxanthin levels in older adults without negatively affecting cholesterol. For seniors, eggs provide a powerful combination of lutein and choline, a nutrient critical for memory and the production of neurotransmitters that keep your thoughts moving at a youthful pace. A valuable tip for those looking to maximize their intake is to seek out lutein-enriched eggs, which can result in a rise in blood concentrations comparable to taking a high-dose supplement. It is also important to remember that the yolk contains nearly the entire supply of these pigments, averaging over 600 micrograms, so skipping the yolk means throwing away the very medicine your brain is craving. By starting your morning with a couple of eggs or including them in a light evening meal, you are building a natural shield in your macula that helps you distinguish objects from their backgrounds, a key factor in preventing dangerous falls. Are you still holding on to the outdated egg whites only myth, or are you ready to fuel your brain correctly? Our final food acts as the quiet connector for your entire nervous system. 5. The neural connector. Green peas. Green peas are a secret weapon for the aging mind, offering a concentrated dose of 2,593 micrograms of lutein, along with vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Thiamine acts as the oil for your neural engine, ensuring that the electrical signals between your eyes and your brain move without hesitation. Peas are also exceptional because they have a gentle glycemic impact, releasing their energy slowly to create the stable internal environment necessary for the brain to perform its nightly maintenance. Recent neuroscience research suggests that lutein helps synchronize communication between the left and right hemispheres of the brain, which is vital for maintaining balance and reading speed as we age. For seniors, a half cup of steamed peas in the evening is a perfect restoration fuel because they are easy to digest and provide the building blocks for nerve repair during deep sleep. When your body is in rest mode, it prioritizes sensory integration, and having the nutrients from peas already in your system makes that process of recalibrating your vision and thoughts much smoother. A simple way to incorporate these is a lutein power plate for dinner, a base of greens, a side of peas, and some sweet corn with a drizzle of olive oil. By choosing these foods, you are telling your body to focus on repair and preservation rather than just getting through another day. Protecting your clarity and your sight is a deeply personal mission, but the consequences of ignoring these biological needs are severe. If you allow your lutein levels to continue to drop, you are risking a permanent loss of cognitive flexibility and a faster progression toward late-stage vision loss, which remains the leading cause of blindness in older adults. Don't leave your independence to chance. Please like this video, share it with someone you love, and subscribe to ensure you never miss a guide to healthy aging. In our next video, we will explore how a specific nutrient pattern can actually de-age your joints and heart, so make sure your notifications are on. Your vision is your most valuable asset. Don't wait until the world goes dim to start feeding it what it needs.